guys, good morning. It's another brand new day and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is djeekho and this is Lakbaylaag Kho channel. And for this video, we're going to Onion, which is we're gonna shoot another cinematic intro for our new friend. It's Cassie. Shout out to Cassie Vlog. Check out on her channel right on the screen right here. And of course, because it's going to New Year and it's going to December, and you know, Merry Christmas to all of you. And I would like to change my language into Tagalog in 3, 2, boom! Alright, so magandang araw lahat. Kumusta nga pala? I would like to shout out to Siargao Island Ship Vloggers for the accommodation. Wait lang. I said Tagalog, so I am speaking in English. So here we go. So magandang umaga. So nga pala gusto ko shout out. Salamat kayo. Salamat to Siargao Island Ship Vloggers for the accommodations. English ulit. Sa pagkain, sa pagtulog. Ayan. So, yes, so please supportan yung channel niya, Siargao Island Ship Vloggers. And of course, here we go to
Angelo TV.
Yun nga, so supportan niyo yung channel niya. And of course, yun nga, sinabi ko kanina, we're gonna do some another cinematic intro for our new friends. So for that, huwag niyong kalimutan ang pag-click the subscribe button, click notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga new videos. So, ano pa inaantay natin? Let's vamos! So nga pala, wag matagal mo ulit na si James TV ng ang pinaka-the best na TikToker daw sa buong Siargao. Tama ba yun? Is it fake news or fake news? Fake news? Okay, so here we go. So tara na, ano pa hinihintay natin? Vamos te! So yeah, finally we're here. Wait lang. Since Tagalog, no? So ngayon guys, andito na pala ako sa Onion, in which dito kami mag-shoot for intro for our friend Cassie, and we will see her later. So, let's go.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
So ngayon guys, andito na pala kami sa Onion, and of course, kasama ko palit si James at maingay na yung motor, kaya tara na.
The day you fell in love again. Every time she would cry on my shoulder, I was here all along trying to save her. You asked me to come back, but we're not quite alright. Every time she would cry on my shoulder, I was here all along trying to save her. And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess it didn't count. I'm here for you, you know. Even if I'm not around, you can wake me up. I will try my best to make you feel alright. I know what you deserve, but no one showed you that. You deserve the world, and I know that love will someday come around. You feel sad, remember it's alright. You're surrounded by people that love you. Whatever you need we'll go through, and forcing you to stay. No matter if I'm okay, we can cry together if you want to. Forever I'll be there to support you. And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess you didn't count. And now you're telling me that it was not enough. I told you that some months ago, but guess you...
Yeah. Tawag James na. Hey James, 1, 2, 3, tuyod! Uy, Sprite mo nagbasa.
Oh, dito ano si Papa kayo?
Sprite lang. Salamat.
Basa ni mo, Jay?
Alright guys, so kakauwi nga lang namin pala. Ayan, so hindi na ako nakapag shoot ng ibang clips pa. Kaya pasensya na. And so yeah, so andito na nga pala kami sa bayat, kakauwi lang. At dahil ang grabe yung struggle ng ng shoot namin kasi inabot kami ng ulan. Pero ayan, so pero okay naman. So far na tapos lang din sa wakas. So nga pala, andito na ako sa bahay. So, hindi na ako nag-clips ng iba. So, yan. So, bago ang lahat. So bago ang lahat. Patapos na. Anyway, so, thank you so much for watching until here. I hope you nag-enjoy kayo. At huwag nyo kalimutan ang pag-click, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Huwag nyo kalimutan ang pag-subscribe at notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago nating uploads. And so, thank you so much. See you on my next adventure. Oops, wait lang. Dahil dyan, kailangan muna natin i-shoutout yung mga isa sa mga best chair, isa sa mga malupit na mga supporters natin. Ayan, lalo na sa ikaw na nanonood ngayon, super shoutout sa iyo. Kung gusto mong ma-mention yung name mo sa next upload natin, so leave a comment down below. And of course, so ito na nga, so super shoutout kay Miss B, no? Si Miss B, thank you so much Madam Miss B for the support and for the support. Sabi ko puro support. Ayan. So at saka din kay Madam Miss Chinita, no? Si My Chinito's World. Ayan. So baby, shout out sa iyo. Ayan, so na-mention na talaga kita. Ito na. Ito na hinahintay mo. Ayan, so ayun din kay Ma'am Ana Haban. Thank you so much Madam Ana Haban. Thank you so much for the support as well, for the endless support. Kay Giselle Vlogs, kay Titay Ching. Ayan, Titay Ching, umuwi ka na please. Di na ako galit. Chok lang. Ayan, so umuwi ka na at magagala tayo dito sa Siargao. At gagalain din natin yung lugar niyo. Kaya ayan. So at saka na din, shoutout na din kay sino ba yun? Ayan, kay Chelsea. Si Chelsea. Shoutout sa'yo Chelsea kung nanonood ka naman ito. Ayan, kaya panoorin mo na to. Hindi, alam ko nanonood ka. Ayan, so shoutout sa'yo. Ayan guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. And kung gusto nyo ma-mention yung names nyo on the next videos, so ayan. So huwag nyo kalimutan sa pag-leave a comment down below. At yes, ihabol ko lang din nga pala si Ka-Treasure TV. Ayan, so congratulations Ka-Treasure TV. Dahil marami nang nagpupunta sa treasure nyo. Ayan, sa lugar nyo. Ayan, so sana makapunta na din ako din. Very soon. Ayan, so very soon. Kasi hindi pa natin afford. So, ayan. So, sa Team Siargao, thank you so much. Team Marquez. Ayan, si Team Marquez. Si super shoutout kay Crystal Jane. Ayan, so si Marquez Sisters Good. Guys, check on their channel. Maganda din siyang magandang dilag din to. Ayan. Sana din si Krisha Arshaga. Kay Meryos Tikaw. Ayan. Meryos Tikaw. Congratulations dahil muni ka na. Yay. So, ayan. Claim na yan. Claim na. Ayan. Malapit naman din. So, ayan. So, guys, supportan na din natin si Meryos Tikaw sa kanyang YouTube journey. At yun na nga. Thank you so much. At sa mga sa team boards. Team Siargao boards. Ayan. So, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below and see you on my next adventure. Sa mga hindi ko pa na-mention nga pala, i-insert ko lang din. Sa mga hindi ko pa na-mention, i-next ko na lang yung mga names nyo dito sa next clip. So paprash ko na lang. So thank you so much.
Every time she would cry on my shoulder. Thank